Good morning, children. In previous class, I had taught you a few fundamentals of science. Now let's start our new topic. What is the name of topic? Living and non-living things. What is the name of topic? Living and non-living things. So see children, we see different things in our surroundings. Some are living things and so many non-living things. So do you know what are living things? The things which have life in them are called living things. What are living things? The things which have life in them are called living things. Do you know examples? So many examples. Plants, animals and human beings also living things. Plants, animals and human beings. So I will show some examples. Do you know? What is this? Which animal? This is lion. Lion is called king of jungle. So lion is living. Is it living thing or non-living thing? Yeah, this is living thing. Lion is living thing. Lion will eat, grow, need food and water. Isn't it? So lion is living thing. Now next one, look, giraffe. So giraffe is it living or non-living thing? Yeah, this is living thing. Giraffe is living thing. It is the tallest animal. This is the tallest animal. So next, do you know this is one aquatic animal? What is the name of this? It is dolphin. What is this? Dolphin. It is an aquatic animal. Aquatic animal means this animal lives in water. Isn't it? So this animal is aquatic animal. It is a living thing. So next, plant. This is a plant. So plants also living thing. Plants also living thing. Can you see? This is a plant. So plant is a living thing. Now more non-living things. Do you know what is this? This is book. So book is non-living thing. This is non-living thing. Next, this is pen. Is it living or non-living thing? This is non-living thing. And this board is non-living thing. Isn't it? So many table, chair and some natural things also is here. Non-living things, sun, moon, stars and rocks or non-living things. So what are non-living things? The things which do not have life in them. That are called non-living things. What are non-living things? The things which do not have life. That are called the non-living things. Table, chair, wood, box, pencil, pen, so many wall, buildings, so many non-living things are there. Now next, so I think all of you understand what are living things and non-living things with examples. Now let's start. What are the features of living things? What are the features? Features of living things. So what is first feature? Living things can move. All living things can move. All living things can move. So, but in the case of plants, plants cannot move from one place to another. Because the plant root is fixed in the soil. So it shows some movements but do not move from place to place. Animals and human beings can move from one place to another. So first feature is movement. All living things can move. But one of the plant, you know, touch-me-not plant. If you touch the leaves of touch-me-not plant, the leaves will fold. Next, sunflower. sunflower turns towards the sun. That also shows some movement. So plants also show some movement. Animals, plants and human beings, insects, birds, all living things. Next feature, grow. So first one movement completed, next one grow. So all living things grow before you are babies. Now you are growing up. So we are also a living thing, so growing. Next, cow from calf, dog from puppy, cat from kitten. So animals also grow. Next, plants grow from a seed. Most of the plants are grown from a seed. From the seed forming first bud. From that bud grows into small plant. That small plant grows into big plant. So plants also growing. So plants, animals and human beings are living things. Next, third one, need food and water. Can you stay without food and water a day? No, we cannot stay because we feel more hungry and tired. We cannot do any work. We cannot study and play, isn't it? So food is needed. Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. Animals also need food. They depend upon plants and other animals. Human beings also depend upon plants and animals. Plants prepare food, their own food. By which process? Do you know that process? Photosynthesis. What is the name of process? Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Plants prepare food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and one of the green color pigment. What is called chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? With the help of chlorophyll and in the presence of sunlight. That process is called photosynthesis. So plants prepare their own food. Next feature, breathe. All living things breathe. Animals and human beings breathe through lungs. One of the aquatic animal, fishes. Fishes breathe through gills. Fishes lives in water. That's why breathe through gills. Next, plants breathe through small pores present on the lower surface of leaves. This contains small pores. We cannot see with our naked eye. By the help of microscope, we can observe small pores. That is called the stomata. So plants breathe through stomata. Stomata is present on the lower surface of the leaves. Stomata. Plants breathe through stomata. Next one. So next feature, fifth one, what is? Living things can feel. All living things can feel. When you bite a mosquito or ants, what do you feel? We feel pain, isn't it? Next, if we throw a stone upon the dog, how is the dog feel hurt and barking, makes a loud sound. So animals also feel. Next, before I said no, plants touch me not plant. If you touch the leaves of touch me not plant, it will fall. So plants also show feel. So next one, sixth one, what is? Next feature, reproduce. All living things can reproduce. To the continuity of life, all living things reproduce. Animals like cat, dog, cow and human beings also they give young ones. They give their young ones. Plants reproduce from seeds or other vegetative parts like stem, leaves, roots. Understood? So that is a reproduction. So all living things reproduce. Next, that is seventh feature. What is? All living things die. All living things die. All living things live for a time and then die. So this is a last feature. So once again say, first one, movement. All living things can move. Next, grow. Next, need food and water. Fourth one, living things can breathe. Next, living things can feel. Next, sixth one, living things reproduce. And seventh one, living things die. So, you should study, all of you listen the class carefully, living and non-living things. Question answers I will send through WhatsApp. Okay, bye.